I take your math class. In the previous day, I have completed chapter 5 exercise A and B. Today I do exercise 5C. 5C, first of all, you have to learn different kinds of decimals. That is like decimals, unlike decimals. Like decimals, what is called like decimals? All decimal numbers having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Like 20.8, 1.6, 100.5. After decimal, 1 digit. So this is like decimals. Unlike decimals, decimal numbers having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. That is 3.8, 5.05, 6.321, etc. and etc. Decimal. After decimal, there are first of all one number, then 2 digit, then 3 digit. These are called unlike decimals. We can convert set of unlike decimals into a set of like decimals or equivalent decimals by placing zeros on the right of the decimal part. That is 4.02 and 3.6 unlike decimals. But if we change it into like decimals, 4.02, after decimal there are 2 digits. So we have to change 3.60. They are equivalent decimals. Okay. So placing any number of zeros to the right of the decimal part does not change its value. Example 0.2, 0.20, 0.200 are equivalent decimals. In case of comparison of decimals, if we compare decimals, we should follow the following points. First of all, a decimal number has a whole part and a decimal part. That is, the decimal number with the greater whole. First of all, we look after the decimal whole number. If any whole part is greater than other whole part, that is greater. That is 6.09 is greater than 5.98. That is 6 whole part, 5 whole part, 6 is greater than 5. And if the whole part are equal, then we look the decimal parts. That is, if the first of all we look tens places, then we look 100. If the tens places are equal, that is equal. That is greater than, less than. Then if they are like, if they are similar, then we look to the hundredths places. Then if they are similar, then we look down or look to the hundredths places. Okay, this is the rules. Like decimals, all decimal numbers having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Exercise examples 20.8, 1.6, 100.5 are like decimals. Unlike decimals, decimal numbers having different numbers of decimal places are called unlike decimals. That is, example 3.8, 5.26, 4.168 are unlike decimals. We can convert set of unlike decimals into a set of like decimals or equivalent decimals by placing zeros on the right of the decimal places. Example 4.02 and 3.6 unlike decimals. If we if we convert them into like decimals, we put 1 zero to the right of the decimal part of 3.6 and then write 3.60. Now both decimals numbers have 2 decimal places and they are 4.02 and 3.60. So placing any number of zeros to the right of the decimal part does not change its value. Example 0.2, 0.20, 0.200 are equivalent decimals. In case of comparison of decimal, we should follow the following points. A decimal number has a whole part and a decimal part. The decimal number with the greater whole part is greater. For example, 6.90 is greater than 5.98. That is, 6 is greater than 5. So 6.09 is greater than 5.09. If the whole part are equal, first convert the given decimals into like decimals and then compare. First we compare the digits in the tens place. The decimal number with the greater digit in the tens place is greater. For example, 2.75 is greater than 2.85. 7 is greater than 8. 2.75 is greater than 2.85. Sorry. For example, 2.75 is smaller than 2.85. That is 7 tens place is smaller than 8. So it is smaller. 2.85 is greater than 2.75. If the digit in the tens place are equal, compare the digits in the hundreds place. The decimal number with the greater digit in the hundreds place is greater. For example, 0.33 greater than 0.32. 3 greater than 2. So 5.89 5.82 greater than 9 greater than 2. Okay. If the digits in the tens and hundreds place are same, then the decimals numbers with the greater digit in the thousands place is greater. For example, 61.358 greater than 61.351. Okay, this is the rules. Now I start exercise 5C. Change question number 1. Change the given decimals to like decimals. 3.7, 5.13, 7.9 equal to 3.70. One digit after decimal, one digit, two digit, one digit. 3.70, 5.13, 7.90 like decimals. B. 2.8, 1.005, 56.2. So greater after decimal 005. So 2.800, 1.005, 56.200. C. 1.5, 27.325, 6.8, 5.72. So 3 to 5 like fractions 0. 1.5, so 1.500, 27.325, 6.8, 6.800, 5.750. Okay, like decimals. D. 6.21, 3.449, 4.61, 8.42 equal like decimal 6.210, 3.449, 4.610, 8.420 like decimals. E. 1.4, 8.09, 6.5, 3.11. So 1.40, 8.09, 6.50, 3.11 like decimals. Okay. Question number 2. Put a tick for the pair of like decimals among these numbers which are like decimals. That is A. 37 at 2.08. So 2.08. Put a tick mark. This is not like decimals. So B. 15.15. Why it is not like decimal? 37 point whole number, decimal number. So it is not like decimals. 15.15, 3.07 like decimals. Right. 8.235, 128.00 like decimals. Right. 6.7, 805.16 unlike decimals. 3.90, 184.22 like decimals. Okay. 3. Compare the given decimals and put greater than, less than or equal. 3.66 box 13.66. So 3.13. So less than. 3 is less than 13. पहले first of all पहले हम लोग का देखना होगा होल नंबर क्या है. So होल नंबर 3 number 13. So 3 is less than 13. So this is less than. B 7.268, 7.291. 7 equal 268, 291. 2 equal 6 is less than 9. So less than. 22 C 22.16, 22.06. 22 equal 16, 1, 0. So 1 is greater than. So this is greater than. 0.5, 0.005. So this is greater. 5 is 00. So 5 is greater than 005. Greater than. 132.09. This in this math D, after tens place 0, tens place 5. So it is greater than. 132.09. 113.89. So 132 is greater than 113, greater than. 9.881, 9.818. 9 equal 8, tens place 8. 100 place 8, 100 place 1. So it is greater than. Okay. 4. Question number 4. 2, 3, 4. Compare, arrange the given decimals in increasing order. Arrange the given decimals in increasing order. 9.4, 9.02, 15.1, 2.88, 2.56, 0.96, 6.376. First of all, we look to the we have to look to the whole number. 9, 15, 2, 2, 0, 6. Therefore, here 9, 15, 9, 15, 2, 2, 0, 6. Greatest 15. So, increasing or increasing means lowest to greatest. So, lowest 0, 0.96, 0.96. After this, we put 2, 1, whole number 2, 2.56, 2.88, 2 equal. So after decimals, tens place 8, tens place 5. So 2.56. Then 2.88. 3 हो गया 0.96, 2.56, 2.88. Now 6.376, 615. Remaining 6.376, then 15.1. Okay, this is increasing order. 5 number. Arrange the giving decimals in increasing order. Increasing means smallest to greatest. 3.15, 0.624, 7. Whole number 7. 7 point nothing else. So 307. So 0. 0.624, then 3.15, then 7. Okay. B 10.004, 10.26, 10.307. 10 equal. So whole number is equal. Then we have to look tens place. Tens place 0, 2, 3. So this is lowest. 10.004. 10.26, 10.3. So this is 10.26. Then 10.307. Okay. C 8.13, 8.31, 8.013. 8, whole numbers are equal. Then tens place 1, tens place 3, then place 0, 8.013 lowest, then 8.13, then 8.31. Do you understand? I hope you all understand. D 60.211, then 60.711, then 60.112, then 60, whole number, whole part equal. Then we have to look tens place 2, 7, 1. So 1 is smallest, so 60.112. Then 1 के बाद 7, 2, 60.211. Then 60.711. Okay. E 0.732, 0.327, 0.372. So whole number 0. It is not at all any matter. So tens place. We have to look tens place. 7, 3, 3 3 3, so equal, so 3, उसके बाद after this we have to look hundreds place 2 7, so 0.327 first you put first, then 0.372, then 0.732, 0.372, this is the chapter 5C. Okay, now I repeat it again. Exercise: change the giving decimals to like decimals. 3.7, 5.13, 7.9, 3.70, 5.13, 7.90. B 2.8, 1.005, 56.2, 2.800, 1.005, 56.0200, 2.8, 1.00, 2.8, 1.5, C number 1.5, 27.325, 6.8, 5.75, 1.500, 27.325, 6.800, 5.750. D 6.21, 3.449, 4.61, 8.42, 6.210, 3.449, 4.610, 8.420. E 1.4, 8.09, 6.5, 3.11, then 1.40, 8.09, 6.50, 3.11. It's like decimals. Now I hold each page 1 or 2 seconds. Now I complete exercise 5C, and today instead of literature I take your math class, and next day I will do 5D, exercise 5D. Okay, thank you.